Today, let us take a calm and meaningful journey into the history of Mumbai, a city that never sleeps, a city that welcomes everyone, and a city that tells stories of courage, culture, and transformation. This narration will guide you through its beginnings, its growth, and its rise as India's financial and cultural powerhouse. Mumbai, earlier known as Bombay, stands on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. But long before it became a bustling metropolis, it began as a group of 7 small islands. These islands were home to fishing communities, mainly the Koli people, who lived a simple life connected deeply to the sea. Their traditions and culture still remain a part of Mumbai's identity today. The earliest known history of the region goes back thousands of years. Different dynasties ruled these islands over time, including the Mauryas, the Satavahanas, and later the Silhara dynasty. During these periods, the islands began to grow as small centers of trade because of their strategic location near the sea. In the 14th century, the region came under the rule of the Sultanate of Gujarat. The islands continued to develop gradually and became important for sea trade. But the major turning point in Mumbai's history came in the 16th and 17th centuries when the Portuguese and then the British arrived in India. In 1534, the Portuguese took control of the 7 islands from the Sultan of Gujarat. They renamed the area Bombay, which meant the Good Bay. This name later evolved into Bombay. The Portuguese built forts, churches, and trading centers. They also introduced new architectural styles and cultural influences that can still be seen in parts of Mumbai. Another historic moment arrived in 1661 when the British got the islands of Bombay as part of the marriage treaty between the Portuguese Princess Catherine of Braganza and England's King Charles E. Soon after, the British East India Company took control of the islands and began developing Bombay into a major trading port. The British connected all 7 islands through land reclamation projects, turning them into a single landmass. This was one of the most important transformations in Mumbai's history. With a natural deep harbour, Bombay quickly became one of the most important ports in Asia. During the 18th and 19th centuries, Bombay grew rapidly. Cotton mills opened, trade flourished, and people from all over India started migrating to the city in search of opportunities. Railways also played a major role in the city's development. In 1853, India's first railway line was started between Bombay and Thane. This marked the beginning of a new era of transportation and economic growth. The city also played a crucial role in India's freedom struggle. Leaders like Lokmanya Tilak used Bombay as a center to spread the message of independence. Many important movements and protests took place in the city, making it a symbol of India's fight for freedom. After India gained independence in 1947, Bombay continued to grow as the financial capital of the nation. Industries expanded, the film industry, known as Bollywood, rose to global fame, and the city became a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. People from every corner of India made Mumbai their home, giving it the identity of a true cosmopolitan city. In 1995, the name of the city officially changed from Bombay to Mumbai, in honor of Mumbadevi, the local deity worshipped by the original Koli community. This name reflects the city's deep cultural roots and long history. Today, Mumbai stands as a city of dreams. It is home to the stock exchange, major corporate headquarters, the film industry, historical landmarks, and millions of hardworking people. From the iconic Gateway of India to the beautiful Marine Drive, from the busy local trains to the peaceful shores of Juhu Beach, every corner of Mumbai carries a story. The history of Mumbai is a story of transformation, resilience, and endless possibilities. It reminds us that even a small group of islands can grow into one of the world's greatest cities when people come together with hope, courage, and determination.